demonstrating how I make chocolate tea at home. Welcome to my channel again. So I just start by shaving this chocolate that I just picked up here in Jamaica in a supermarket. You know, in Jamaica we have manufacturers that make our own chocolate from our own trees here. And so I just boiled some water with a few cinnamon leaves and some salt, and then I add the chocolate to it and let it boil out a little. Add 2 cups of coconut milk in it, some vanilla and some nutmeg naturally, and let that boil down on medium heat because we don't want the coconut milk to boil up in it too much, so always keep it on medium heat. And oh, that was a stick of cinnamon that came in the chocolate package as well. And to sweeten, I had about a 1/4 cup of dark sugar. You can use any sweetener that you prefer. And this batch serves me for about 4 cups of chocolate tea. And there you go. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy.